Hey everyone, this is X-Ray. I hope you're having a good June, Pride Month, all that jizz. Jizz, I'm sorry. But I just thought I'd make a video today to show off these bastards. These little bastards right here. My beautiful, beautiful daughters. They are all... Get... I don't care. Now, you might have remember seeing this one, little Basil, little Lee, in the last video because she was broody, and I'm sorry for the wind, but you can't control nature. I mean, yeah. But this is Tansy. She's our surrender. She lays the crappiest eggs that ever existed. They break instantly. And she's gonna fluff up, yep. Yeah, I'm talking about you. They break instantly. They're covered in like calcium. We've tried everything, we've just given up. And then everyone else tries to break them. Lilac. This is Lilac, she's a liability. She is so loud. She'll wake up at 5 in the morning and scream at us because she wants breakfast. Right, Lai? Right? Yeah. And then this is Mossy. She's the eldest. She is kind of fucked up in the head, but we love her. And, of course, there's Old Bee. The reason why I was calling her Piss Baby in that video is because when she goes broody... Shut! Please. Lilac. I'm gonna touch you. Oh, bird. Oh. Shut it. Anyway, the reason why I called her Piss Baby in that video is because she gets really mad when she's broody. Quiet time. I know it doesn't do anything, but I still try. But yeah, these are my daughters. Well, 3.5 of them. Goj is up in my room because, you know, she's a gecko. But yeah. Happy Pride Month and bye. Say bye, Lily. Everybody loves you. What do you want?